Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making air fryer shrimp egg rolls. Alright, I'm starting out in my multi-pan I have preheated, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil in here. Probably about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Just going to spread that around. Now I have a 16-ounce bag of tricolor coleslaw mix. It's red and green cabbage and carrots pre-shredded. That's easier than doing it yourself. I have 2 bags of it. I think I'm going to do both bags because I got 2 packs of egg roll wrappers. And I got orders from the boss, that being Holly. So use all up till I run out of wrappers. So I'm going to get this down in here. I'm also going to add in, I have some garlic. I'm going to add in a heaping forkful, or that'd probably be about 2 cloves if you diced it up yourself. And I'm going to let this fry for a few minutes till my cabbage starts to soften up. Right now that my cabbage is tender, and that took probably about 5 or 6 minutes, I turned my heat off. I'm going to add in some salt and pepper. Some salt. Then it's to taste. I'm going to add in some soy sauce. I'm using light soy sauce because I don't like all of that salt in it. And I'm going to give this a healthy coating because that's where some of our egg roll flavor is going to come from. I'd say that was probably about 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I might add a little more in, guys. We'll have to wait and see. I think that's looking good. Now I have 12 ounces of small shrimp here, peeled and veined. It was frozen. I thawed it in the fridge overnight, and then I ran under some warm water and drained it on some paper towel. We're going to get this in. This is already pre-cooked, as you can tell by the pink color. And I have my burner turned off. I'm just going to allow the shrimp to hang out in there for a little bit to get warmed up by the cabbage. Since it's already cooked, we don't have to worry too much about it getting too hot. I'm going to add a little more soy sauce in to season the shrimp. Alright, I have my air fryer warming up, so I apologize for the noise. There's some egg roll wrappers here. Find these at Walmart. I'm going to go ahead and put some filling in. I'm going to go ahead and roll that one up there. And I have a little bit of water here. I'll put some water on the sides. It's going to help seal these up. And then I'm going to put some water here around the edges, and then we're going to finish rolling these up. Now I'm going to go ahead and make all of my egg rolls, and when they're ready to go in the air fryer, I'll bring you guys back. Right now I have all my egg rolls wrapped up, and I put 3 pieces of shrimp in each one. I'm going to spray them with a little bit of olive oil. And it's going to help crisp them up nice in the air fryer. I'm going to turn them over and spray the other side, and then we'll get them in the air fryer. Alright, I have my air fryer set at 400 degrees, and I'm going to get my egg rolls down in here. And I'm leaving a little space between them so the air can circulate around them. Now, I'm not going to be able to get them all done in one shot, but we'll do as many as we can on the first round, and then hopefully the second round we'll finish them up. And I'm not going to turn these over while they're frying. I'm going to let these go for probably about 8 minutes, and then I'll check them. Alright guys, I left these go for 8 minutes, and then I turned them over and left go for another 2 or 3 minutes on the other side, even though I said I wasn't going to. These are ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. I also went ahead and I made some fried rice to go with this. Get in here and give one of these guys a try. I'm going to put a little soy on there. Ran right down in there, but that's alright. Crispy. Delicious. You can see it dripping that soy. Let me try the piece without soy sauce. Hot. Has that good egg roll taste. And you know what's in there because you made it at home. That was really easy. It's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Air fryer shrimp egg rolls. Thanks for watching. And remember, eat what you love and love what you eat.